everyone, welcome back to my channel Childcare and Pregnancy, and in today's video I'll be talking about 8 baby essential products which you need in your daily life. If you have a toddler of 2-year-old, 2 to 3-year-old, then this video will be really helpful for you, because today I'll be talking about essentials which you need in your daily life to survive if you have a toddler. So these are the minimum products which you need, guys. Obviously you can increase the number of products which you use on your baby in day-to-day life, but products which I'll be talking about are the minimum products which you actually need it. So I've introduced 8 baby essential products here, and everything are an affordable option, guys, so you don't have to worry about the price range. So I'll start talking about the product. First product is this Himalaya baby massage oil, and so guys, this is not a sponsored video, guys. This is my review and my personal review, because I have been using these products from quite a long time. It's a very good massage oil for babies, so it is an affordable option. The price is 400, but if you go and search on Flipkart, you will obviously find off on the product, so you will easily be able to get this product on off. Fragrance is amazing, and it has olive oil and winter cherry. It says it improves skin tone, so I don't want to promote this thing on my channel, that you need to improve skin tone of the baby. It is totally stupid according to me. Your baby's skin is the God's gift, and accept it as it is. It's a blessing, guys. It's the God's gift, so don't try and change it. And it says it improves skin tone, but trust me, it doesn't. I have not seen my baby's skin changing its tone. Just for the sake of writing, they've written it, but otherwise it's a great massage oil. When I massage my baby's skin, the skin obviously becomes very smooth, and the fragrance is what I like, and it has olive oil, which is a great option for massaging your baby, and it's very lightweight. It's not heavy on the skin. I have not faced any side effects, no itchiness, no redness and all has happened. So yeah, I give 5-star to this product. So for massaging my baby, I usually stick to Himalaya baby massage oil. First product was this one. Secondly, I'll be talking about baby wipes. So in baby wipes, I use Little's baby wipes. It has 80 number of baby wipes, and it's a great affordable option, guys. You don't have to pay a lot, because I think I pay for around 450, and I get 6 packets of baby wipes, which is 80 into 6, so you can multiply and count. If you go and check Johnson baby wipes, it's very expensive, and even Pampers wipes are expensive, so I stick to this one. I have not faced any side effects. I usually use these wipes for cleaning my baby if he creates any mess. So I clean using these wipes only, and I have not faced any side effects from this wipes, so you can definitely try this one out. It's a great product, and it's very good, guys. You can remove your makeup also using this one, and it removes your makeup very easily, so it's a great product for you and your baby. And some parents do worry about these stick-ons, because they think, given that plastic opening and closing thing, then the wipes will dry out. But ऐसा नहीं होता है। अगर आपका ऐसा रैपर भी है जो ऐसे ओपन एंड क्लोज करके आप वाइप्स निकालते हो, तो ऐसे रैपर में भी आपका वाइप्स ड्राई आउट नहीं होता है। इवन इफ योर बेबी जस्ट रिमूव्स दिस वन एंड थ्रोज इट आउट, then also the wipes doesn't dry out. It is so liquidy and it's so good, guys. So you don't have to worry about this opening and closing ka thing. So all the product links will be given down in the description box. If you want to buy it for yourself, then you can check them out, guys. Third baby product is Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. So guys, I'm using this moisturizing lotion from a long time. Vivan was only 1 year old. Then I started using this moisturizing lotion because my baby's skin is, Vivan's skin is very dry and very sensitive. As soon as my baby turned 1 year old, her skin started drying out very badly and he had redness on his legs and red patches around the leg area. So I was very upset seeing it, so I went to doctor and she advised me this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. So from that time I started using it, and trust me guys, my baby's skin has become very soft and there are no redness or patchiness on my baby's skin, and everything has gone, and right now my baby's skin is very soft, guys. So touch wood. And yeah, you can easily find this product in Flipkart and Amazon, so you can order that from there. It is a expensive moisturizing lotion because generally it doesn't have any off going on this product, so that's sad. Is 500 ml bottle and it cost me around 1090 rupees. So this particular moisturizing lotion is quite expensive, but trust me guys, it does the job. If your baby's skin is very dry, then please buy this one and you can use it for yourself and your baby also, because this is the general Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. You get the baby's Cetaphil moisturizing lotion also, but since my doctor has advised me using this only, so I'm using this one, not the baby's one. So yeah, if you are not sure about using this one, then you can use the baby Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. But since this suits my baby's skin, so I have stick to this one. So let's talk about fourth product, which is baby shampoo. So I use Johnson baby shampoo. It's a very good shampoo, guys. Obviously most of the people use Johnson brand. It's not a surprise. And yeah, even I like the product. It is very good. The fragrance is awesome. I just love smelling my baby's hair after I apply this shampoo. So it smells so good, guys. Even I like it. I feel like using it for myself, but obviously it's stupid. It is for babies. The quantity is 500 ml and it cost around 360 rupees. So I ordered this 500 ml ka bottle from flipkart.com. I'll be giving all the purchase links down in the description box to check it out, guys. So this was my fourth product. So guys, fifth product is this Mimi baby soap, which I use for my baby. So it has 3 pieces baby soap. It cost around 147 rupees for 3 pieces, and I find this product very good because the fragrance is so nice, and my baby is touching my mic, guys.
12 seconds later.
It doesn't give teary eye. It is paraben free and it has almond oil milk extracts, which is very good. It leaves my baby's skin very smooth because my baby's skin is quite dry, and so this product really works for my baby's skin, and I'm using it from quite a long time. I'm left with 2 because I'm currently using the first baby soap. It has almost been over, so I'll be taking out the second soap, guys. So fourth product was Mimi's baby soap. Fifth product is Mamaearth toothpaste, which is Berry Blast toothpaste. The flavor is of berries, and my baby loved brushing his teeth with this one because it is fluoride free, 100% natural, and it has no colored mixed in this. And my baby loves the taste of it, because obviously for babies you need to have a pleasant taste for the toothpaste, because if your baby will not like the taste of it, then he will not enjoy brushing his teeth, so it will really cost you a lot of trouble. So do check the taste of the toothpaste, guys, and my baby is loving this one. Before I had used Colgate toothpaste, but my baby didn't like the taste of it. He was not enjoying brushing his teeth, so I had to switch to Mamaearth. From the time I started using it, Van loves brushing his teeth, guys. So it is 100% natural, and the color is quite transparent. You can see the product. So the quantity of the product is 50 gram, and it cost you around 149 rupees, around 150 rupees. So I ordered this one from flipkart.com. If you want to check everything out, then do check the description box. Sixth product is a diaper pant, obviously. So currently I am using extra dry pants from Little Angel brand. This is the packet. I've already reviewed this diaper pants on my channel, guys. You will find the link in the I button here, and you can check the review. It's a great diaper pant and quite soft on my baby's skin, so do check it out, guys, the review, and do buy it for your babies if you're looking for a affordable soft baby diaper pant. Let's talk about the last product, which is eighth product, which is Mamaearth Afterbite Roll-On. This is a great roll-on for your toddlers if you get any kind of mosquito bite or insect bite. The roll-on looks like this, guys. You just have to do like this on the affected area. This product will help your babies to get healed from the insect bite or mosquito bite, because it reduces the amount of redness on the skin, and also your baby will not itch the skin a lot, because obviously due to itching and due to rubbing the skin becomes very red, and it becomes very difficult to heal the skin. So this is a great option if you get a mosquito bite on your baby's skin. Quantity is 40 ml, guys, and it will cost you around 250 bucks. So I ordered this product from Mamaearth website, and it really helps me. It's a very good essential product, guys, for day-to-day life, because mosquito bite and insect bite are very common, and your baby will itch their skin a lot if they get it. So it's a must buy. My baby is jumping all over the bed, guys, so I have to look after him every time. So yeah, while I shoot. It is not a sponsored video, guys, so don't think that I'm promoting any kind of brand here. So yeah, so this was it, guys. This was my review for the essential products which I use for my baby. If you want to purchase these products, you can check the description box and you can buy those products, guys. And thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, then don't forget to press on the like button and also subscribe if you are new to my channel. Then please subscribe kar lena and do hit the bell button, because whenever I'll upload a video you will get notified about it. So don't forget to hit that bell button guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, and also don't forget to follow on my social media handles, because I'm quite active there. So if you want to connect with me better, then do come and follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. All the links are given down in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.